How to report a hacked Facebook friend. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remove hacked Facebook friends. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So for that, first thing is you need to open up Facebook into your account and then go ahead and locate up the friend that you think has been hacked. For example, you can go to their profile and if you find that account suspicious and if you think that account is hacked, you can follow up this method. So you can head over to their profile first, and when you head over there at the side of this message icon, you should be finding a 3 dot. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you should be finding these options on the screen. So go ahead and locate this option called report profile right under the See Friend step. So just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, you should be finding this. So you need to write a reason why you want to report. So first thing, maybe because you are suspicious about this page, so you can go ahead and tap on this, and you can go ahead and look out for this option which is called scam, fraud, or false information. So you can just go ahead and tap on that, or you can also go to this fake profile. You can just go ahead and choose the reason. After that, spam and something like that. After that, you can go ahead and report that account, and you can take these steps if you want. So that is how you report a hacked account on Facebook, following up those methods. And thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.